So we're going to find the greatest common factor for these two terms and then factor it out. Then let's just get started. So the first thing we want to think about is the numbers. So we have 12 and 16, and factors are all about what you can multiply to get some other number, right? So if I want to break apart 12 into factors, I could do 6 times 2 or 4 times 3. Does not matter which one you do. I'll use 4 times 3. And then for this 2 times 2, the 3 doesn't break apart any farther. So 2 times 2 times 3 is the same as 12. Well, let's do that for 16. We could do 2 times 8 or we could do 4 times 4. It does not matter which one we do. 4 times 4 is what I'm going to use. And I know 4 is 2 times 2. And the other 4 is also 2 times 2. Now, if I had done 2 times 8, I would still get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Like it would end up being the same answer. All right, now we're looking for what we have in common. So we have 2 2's here, 2 2's here, and then 3 is not in common. This doesn't have another 2, this doesn't have another 2. So the greatest common factor, GCF, greatest common factor, is 2 times 2, which is 4. So we can divide this, both of these, by 4. All right, well, let's look at the variables, the letters. They both have the letter P, so we can take out the letter P from that. And they both have Q to the 4th. That's interesting. So Q to the 4th they have in common. And then we're done over here, right? So we know that that's it for greatest common factor because there's nothing left. This m squared is not going to be in common to this other one because it doesn't have an m at all, right? So we found the greatest common factor, and the way you write the factored form is you write that in front of a parentheses, and then you divide the numbers. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then you start looking at the variables. So the p's would cancel because if we have one p and we take one away, we have none of them. So there's nothing left there. Q to the 4th, take away q to the 4th. Like that's 4 q's, and we take away 4 q's. So those are gone as well. We would say they cancel. In other words, they equal 1, and 3 times 1 is still 3. So nothing changes. And then we have this m squared. So we'll just bring it down because nothing happened to it. We didn't divide anything, take anything away from it. So, all right. And then over here we have 16 divided by 4, which is 4. And the p's cancel. P divided by p is 1. And q to the 4th divided by q to the 4th, just like last time. So actually that's that for that one. So our final answer here, this is our factored form. 4pq to the 4th times 3m squared plus 4. All right, hope that helps you. See you next time.